What an honor it is to welcome you to BuildFest 2025.
We are here to celebrate everything in the dome, everything about storytelling, about experiences that give you emotional impact, immersive kind of view of the world. This is where it all is happening in the United States.
This festival is a powerful intersection where art meets innovation and where wonder and creativity comes to life. The dome is more than format, it's a field.
Seeing all of our international attendees coming and sharing their insights. Everyone is coming together, bringing their own lessons from their own cultures.
We hope this weekend sparks new connections, big ideas, and a renewed sense of purpose in the work we all do.
It's all about creating better content together, telling better stories, and changing lives. Here at Dome Fest West, we celebrate the films that have been made, both from an international multi-million-dollar level down to bare bones, low-budget films. Everyone comes here to celebrate together, and we celebrate the genius of each film. Come here, and if you're creating content, you should already be here. So one way or another, we're excited to support you and all the creative endeavors. Keep creating, get out there, shoot it, post it, and send it to us.
Dome Fest West.